Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ramakant and you are watching Computer Technology channel. In this video, I will explain manageable switches. But before you begin, if you have not watched the previous video where I discuss unmanageable switches, you can find the link in description box in below. Now let's get started without any delay. Manageable switches are different from unmanageable switches because you have the ability to configure and maintain him to according to your preference. They come with the console ports which allow you to connect a console cable and access the switch interface for configuration. With a manageable switches, you can connect Ethernet cables and have more control over the ports. Sometimes a port may be in the shutdown state, and as an administrator you can bring it back up state by using the command unshutdown. In the image you can see the example of manageable switches. In the next video I will discuss the different layers of switches and their function. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. Jai Hind.